Now I'm going to show you how the lighting works with the Lucy Mini and how to use the optical filter to make the image brighter or dimmer depending on what you need. The first thing you want to do with the optical filter is to peel the paper off of both sides. It has this brown paper and you just get the corner started, then peel it and it'll come off, and if you don't take that off, it's not going to work at all. It's actually going to make your Lucy unusable when you're trying to use it to make the image brighter or make the image completely disappear. So make sure, very important, paper peeled off both sides of the optical filter. So I'm going to show you here. I have my phone here. I'm going to just hit record, and now you're seeing what I'm seeing right here in front of me. And so I'm going to just put the camera phone right here into the view hole. And forgive me, it's a little unsteady. Hopefully I won't get you motion sickness from me trying to do this. If you see the images there, pretty good. You can actually draw it pretty well. This is actually, because we have ideal lighting in this situation, you might not even need the optical filter when you're drawing. But just to show you what the optical filter does, you go like this. You'll hold it like right here where you're going to attach it. You can see the effect that it has. And this is what you always do. You always test to see the effect that it has and decide whether or not you want to use it. See, the image got brighter right away. But then if you put it in the front here, you see the image gets dimmer right away. Because the image is already kind of in a nice place, we don't necessarily need to make it brighter or dimmer, but we will add the filter in just to show you. So once you determined that you want to use a filter, you want to put it in the bottom to make the image a little bit brighter, just loosen the filter screw here a little bit until it's wide enough to be able to slide the filter in with a slot around the shaft of the screw. You get in there, then just retighten again. Before you do that final tighten, just make sure that the filter is square and where you want it. Then you can look through there and draw with the filter in place. And then whenever you want to remove the filter, just loosen it, take it out, put it back in. Very easy. If you want to put the filter in the front in order to make the image dimmer, just give it a little same thing. Simple as that. One of the most important things I can tell you about the lighting is that if you look through here without the filter and the image is pretty bright, you can see your hand and pencil marks just fine. But then you add the filter in, and the image is even brighter, and you just love that rich image, but then maybe you've lost your hand and your pencil marks. You can't see your hand and pencil marks anymore. You're finding a balance, not trying to make the image as bright as possible. Just find that proper balance where you can see your pencil marks, and your reflected subject at the same time.